So guys, good afternoon. Kamusta kayo? Welcome for another vlog. So magandang hapon sa inyo. It's around 6 o'clock here in Abu Dhabi. So yun guys, so it's been a month na hindi ako nakapag-vlog. So finally, ito, matutuloy na. Kasi medyo naging busy kami ni Rahad. So ngayon, papunta na siya rito. I-meet ko siya. After 2 minutes daw, darating na siya. So yun guys, hintayin ko lang siya. Balak namin kumain ngayon. So iniisip ko pa kung saan kami pupunta. So sana yun, matuloy na. Ito na. Where is your car?
Starting below?
Yeah, of course. So where is your car? Where did you park? So yun guys, how long we didn't see each other?
Yeah.
1 month?
2 months.
How come 2 months? So yun guys, naglalakad na kami. Pahanap kami ng pwede namin kainan ngayon. So, what did you do? What makes you busy?
What?
Why you're not coming?
You are busy boy, na? Busy boy.
So, did you go somewhere? Or no?
Hmm?
You go somewhere?
No.
Huh? So, yun guys, nandito kami sa may bandang Hamdan pa rin tong street na to. Ayan siya. So, papunta kami dun sa kotse ni Rahad. Where?
Red car.
Which one?
Red.
Why red? Where is the other one?
This is
Huh? So, yun guys. Medyo mainit ngayon. What's the weather? Temperature? Ayan guys. So Rahad changed his car now. Yeah. So yun guys, paalis na kami. AC.
where we will go.
What do you like to eat? Filipino or?
Tell you like where is Filipino food?
You want to try like noodles? You eat like that?
Noodles? No, no.
No? So what do you
You
want?
like it is okay, we are doing.
Or you want to go to... What time you need to go home?
It's okay, no problem, I'm free.
Really?
To decide.
Say hi to the followers.
Hi everyone, how are you? This guy is not good, not follow, not subscribe, okay?
So yun guys.
This
Medyo-
guy is too much injury with me.
Medyo nag... Because this guy is always, you know. By the way, you know the elevator here again, it's Carbon. Only one working. Long time.
Really?
Going 2 weeks now.
Oh.
Yeah guys, so ito, medyo naghahanap ako ng room ngayon. Because this room in my building, the elevator is still not working. So it's been 1 month now. Almost 1 month that they are still not fixing the other side. So only one is working. Ito yung Electra Street dito na tinatawag sa may Lifeline. Ito yung Lifeline area. Dito sa may Electra. So yun. Guys, ito yung pinaka-center ng Abu Dhabi City. So most of the people dito sila dumaraan, nag-aantay ng mga bus going to Dubai.
Which side Medina guys?
This right side, yeah. But Ibrahim restaurant is inside the
Near to Madinazar backside is Ibrahim restaurant.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. You know that one? Ah, maybe we go there before. The one with the shawarma.
Yeah.
We go there before, no? I think. Night,
We go,
right?
but not eating. Just check and come back.
Ah, I go there before with my friend.
Nice hotel.
Yeah. But yeah, I like the shawarma. It's very tasty. I make a vlog that time, but I didn't post. Ah, yeah, I remember I still have one video. So ipopost ko siya next time, guys. But for now, me and Rahad will eat there. So we will see. It's good price also.
Yeah, not expensive.
Ah, why you tried to eat there before?
Like that big shawarma, like that 7 dirham.
You tried to eat there before
Yeah, and
with your friends.
chaat like that 10 dirham.
With your friends.
And no, with my brother.
Wow.
Yeah.
So yun guys, itong ano kasi Lifeline area, Electra. Ayan, marami rin dito, may mga bangko rin dito. Tapos marami rito mga Indian restaurant, no? More Indian restaurant in this area. Yeah, there's electronic appliances, yan. Meron din dito mga pet shop, mga ganun. May mga aquarium fish dito na binebenta. Yun siya. So ayan, malapit na kami. So you missed the vlog? I have a new
So, but you are busy.
I have a new favorite song in my
Madinah.
so this is guys the Madinah Zayed area. Ayan guys, dito ko celebrate. You know, last year I celebrate my birthday here.
Really?
Yeah. So yan guys. Now it's good. You see the Madinah Zayed mall. This is mall, no?
Yeah, it's big mall.
It's a big mall, yeah. It's a long. Wala siyang third floor, fourth floor, pero malaki siya, guys. Ayan siya. Ayan. Ito yung Madinah Zayed. So now these hours, no, there's a lot of people waiting for the going home, no, finish their work. Ayan, guys. So dito siya. So this is free parking? Huh? Are you sure?
No guarantee.
This. So guys, thank you naman at meron kaming so bababa na kami guys. So yan guys, nakababa na kami. Hi kuya. So yan guys, ito yung Madinah Zayed. So they have a gold center here, right? Gold shop, everything, yeah? Why you're planning to buy gold?
Or there is not allowed the big bus and bus.
So yan guys, papasok na kami. So we have to go to another side.
Inside is cool, yeah.
See, there's a lot of gold shops.
You catch gold. Catch.
See guys, this is one of the market in UAE, no? The gold shop. See guys, as you could see here, there's a lot of gold shops here in Madinah Zayed area. You will cross here or in the other side? To go on the other side. So we have to exit from hello guys. So nandito na tayo. So we have to exit from here.
Yeah, this I got.
So guys, kakain mo naman yung
Yeah.
So guys, ito yung backside ng Madinah Zayed area. So dito naman may mga tailor shop, mga restaurant, ayan siya, mga textile boutique. Ayan siya guys. So ayun. So maganda naman dito. Medyo mainit lang ngayon. The temperature is like 43 degrees.
Yeah.
So may mga gold shop din pala rito. Then you will see there the fish market, right?
This one?
That's the
I
fish
don't
market side. So see, fish market. You read?
This is fish market?
Yeah, see.
This is new?
Yeah, no, long time. So see how it looks, guys. So you want to eat here? Then they can park their car.
Park.
This is the parking, right, for the car.
Yeah.
Why you didn't park?
I think there is a busy area na, not available.
Yeah. So guys, ayun. Doon kami nag-park sa other
Ibrahim
side. Then there's a mini park here.
Yeah.
Playground for the kids. Ito guys, bakit show? You can eat inside, no? Inside.
Yeah. Go up. Go up. Up.
You want that? Upstairs.
I remember.
Dito na lang parang tayo. We can sit here, no? So we can sit. Yes, the hour. Hi, Ate. Ate, what's your name again?
Alia.
Alia. Yeah. Because before we eat here, no? Yun guys, ang ganda nung nila second floor. Ate, what is this? Buffet? Ah, you have also?
Tapos Friday, Saturday, dinner.
Sa ngayon, wala siya. Ah, okay. So, yun pala, meron din silang buffet rito, guys. All you can yun, how much? 59 dirhams daw, guys.
Tapos lunch namin 40.
And what's the food? Filipino or?
Chinese.
Ah, Chinese.
Arabic, Pakistan, Indian.
Ah, okay.
Iranian.
So, mix ng yung food na sinaserve nila rito, guys, for buffet. Yun. So, what you will order? I want to eat rice because I'm very hungry.
With fish?
Can I see?
See.
I'll check.
Bago yan.
Ha?
Bago yan.
Ah, okay. One person only. Just one. Then if you cannot finish, take the rest. Take the half.
Ang mga biryani.
Mandi and I want hamburger.
For me, chicken man.
Gusto niyo ng juice?
For me, Diet Coke. Diet Coke. How about you? Drinks? Water for you? Ayan guys, dinala kami ni ate ng mixed vegetable salad. Ayan siya. Ate, so don't you have space also?
Family section.
Ah, okay. So guys, ang ganda nung nila. Parang feeling ko matagal na tong restaurant na to. Ate, how long this restaurant?
40
40 years? Ah, so
1980 pa.
that's why it looks like a very classic restaurant. Very old siya pero maganda yung vibes dito sa may restaurant. Malinis saka ano siya. Ayan guys, naka-tiles sila dyan. Tapos dito sa view, sa may window, matatanaw mo na yung Medina Zayed. Ayan siya. Medina Zayed na mall. Ayan siya. How long you been working here, ate?
5 months.
5 months na. See, you
Yes.
finish.
Yes.
You finish. Ah. Kuya, 15 years from? Kabayan of this, my friend. Normal ate. So your kabayan is 15 years here working. Oh. So guys, sa atin kasi, we're not eating vegetable like fresh like this, no? Sa Pilipinas tayo, hindi tayo kumakain ng ganito, di ba?
Ako din. Dito na.
Natuto ka na rito. Kasi sa atin lahat niluluto, di ba?
Yes,
Ng
sobrang
gulay.
maganda yung maputis
Oo.
mo.
Ito guys, dito sa Pilipinas kasi hindi niluluto yung gulay. Pero dito guys, kinakain nila ng fresh. Ayan siya. In Pakistan also, you're eating like this. In Philippines, we don't eat fresh vegetable. We cook all the vegetable we cook.
Not. But this is good, na?
So wait na lang namin guys yung what's your order?
Fish biryani.
Fish biryani and meat chicken mandi.
Yeah.
So you share me, I will share. So in Pakistan, you also do the same. Sabi ni Kabayan, kaya raw siguro maganda yung putis nila. Kasi kumakain sila ng fresh na vegetable. So dito ko natuto na kumain ng cucumber, guys. Yung pipino kinakain ko dito. Pati yung repolyo, guys. Ayun yung repolyo. Tsaka yung carrots, guys, kinakain ng hilaw din. Ayan siya. Yeah. See guys, yung repolyo kinakain na. Here down now, me and my friend shawarma life. It's night.
Yeah.
We started summer, I think, from when we came here.
Winter, malapit pa.
Malamig pa ba, no? I like guys the shawarma here. Ate, how you apply here? Paano ka napasok?
Yung dati kong amo sa Musapa, sa may-ari ng kaibigan.
May repair ka?
Kasi malayo yung Musapa, wala nang bus, alas 2.
Saan ka nakatira dito?
Electron, then
Walking distance ka na lang. Yun.
Dalaga na ako.
So si ate 5 months na dito si Kabayan. Okay naman, mababait naman sila.
Mabait din sila.
Kuya will serve na the food. Ayan guys. Ayan. Oh my God.
Biryani mo.
Yeah, it's okay. It's fine. You can take away some if you want, no? Yes. So, food trip kami ngayon. Ayan. Thank you, boss. Thank you, ate. So, yun guys. Kakain na kami. Let's move this one. So, ito yung chicken mandi, guys. So, good for 2 servings, no?
Yeah.
It's okay. So, you can try my chicken mandi. So, guys, ito yung in-order niya. What do you call this one?
Huh?
What did you call?
Hamur. Chicken hamur.
Fish hamur.
Hamur biryani. Yeah.
Fish hamur biryani.
Yeah.
Ako naman, chicken mandi. Yun siya. Tapos, meron sila, what is this sauce?
Gravy.
Chili?
Gravy.
Chili?
Mutton gravy.
Put this. Sorry. Okay. So yan guys.
Mutton gravy.
And this yogurt.
Yeah.
Ayan guys, may yogurt. Tapos guys, ito yung fish biryani. Try natin. What fish is this, you know?
Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
Not spicy.
I think this fish is
Special dish.
tuna. Tuna or
Hamur.
I think I tried this fish before. Ano yung fish nilalagay dito?
Hamur. Hamur sa kanila.
Na-try ko na yung fish na yan, hindi ko ma-recall kung anong tawag. Later.
Parang lahuri siya ba sa Pakistan?
It's Pakistan, ha?
Yeah.
Ate, ikaw, kain tayo.
Pakistan.
So yan guys, ang laki ng chicken. So this is hot chicken, right? So yun guys, kumuha na ako ng ano. Then you will put like this, right? The sauce. Try natin. Ang sarap guys. You like it? So you ordered the same before? Why you don't like cola? Ito guys yung Alokosai na cola nila. Sugar free siya. Lasang ano rin siya, lasang Pepsi. So yung sauce niya guys is made of tomato. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan siya. Tingnan nyo yung lock guys. Puro kanin. So mananaba na naman ako. Magkaiba raw yung rice nila. It's different, sure ha?
Yeah.
This one is a bit orange, no? This is yellow.
Yeah. Mandi like that.
So guys, sa tinagal-tagal ko na rin dito sa may UAE, natutunan ko na rin kumain ng mga iba't ibang klase ng food. Sa Indian food, favorite ko yung butter chicken. Tapos sa Arabic naman yung shawarma. And then sa Pakistan, I like the chicken korma. Then from the Nepali food, I like the momo. Then sa Indonesia naman, nasi goreng. Yun siya guys. Iba yung shawarma. You know the taste of the shawarma here in UAE is different taste from Philippine shawarma. When is your vacation?
My vacation this weekend. Saturday.
No, I mean when you will go to your country.
Pakistan. Later.
So guys, sobrang dami ng rice. Hindi namin kayang mabusin. It's big plate, no? So from one order, you can share 2 or 3 people.
Yeah. I told you one is
Fine. Fuck the wala. Take home the rice.
yeah. You also take me.
There. Habang ka na. Ate, take away na lang.
Sayang.
Tsaka daw yung rice niya.
Kulang na lang.
Hmm. Where are you from?
I'm from
Pakistan. Where? Peshawar?
Chitral.
Okay. It's far from you.
Yeah. Punjab. Punjab. Too much fire, Chitral. Too much. But Chitral is very good place.
You have snow, kuya, no?
Yeah.
See, your skin is different. Huh? Because you have snow. So that's one of my plan to visit Pakistan soon. I want to visit Pakistan. You will bring me there?
Yeah.
How much I need to save to go there? Money to bring?
Not too much. Maybe like that 4,000 dirham.
Then I can do more place.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Not expensive. Me go vacation, then you go with me.
Ang sarap guys. Hindi ko na natapos yung rice kasi sobrang busog ko na guys. Mukha na akong butete. Laki na ng tiyan ko. Finish. Thank you, ate. Next time ulit. Let's go. Drink. So yun guys, alis na kami. Busog na kami. Yun guys, yung buffet nila. So ito yung every lunch 49. Tapos pag dinner daw 59. Ayan, tapos may contact number sila dyan. Thank you ate.
Saan ka ba papunta?
Sa fish market, nalito na.
Magluto sa kusina.
Thank you sir.
Ingat.
Yeah, ingat, God bless. So yun guys, ito yung nila. May mga sweets din sila rito guys. You try that. That is Jollibee, right?
Jollibee, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you for your son. What is this? Tell.
Papri chaat.
Tell, what is this?
Namak para. Namkeen. Salty. Salty.
Salty. That's the sweet side, no?
Yeah.
This side. So yun guys, nakakain na kami. Ang sarap nung food nila. You can put this on the car or let's go there.
Let's go then.
So you enjoy?
Yeah, this is very good taste and so big and normal.
Big
size.
servings, yeah. Medyo, it's very hot now in the UAE, no?
Not coming rainy. Why?
Not like before, they're making a cloud seeding, no?
Yeah.
Because it's raining. So yun guys, you can buy here like some of the, what do you call this? Spices, no?
I don't know what is.
Spices, yeah. See, and they're selling textile here. Mga tela nyo panggawa ng gown. See the guys how they're making the gown. Lovely dress for ladies. Dresses, yeah. See, they're selling also home textile here, guys. Home textile. You never been visit here before? Really? You didn't know?
No, I don't.
You can buy vegetable, fish, everything.
But I'm not buy fish, no?
Yeah.
First time I'm going inside.
Really? So guys, ito yung vegetable, Madina Sahib Vegetable and Fish Market. Ayun siya. See, they have fruits, coconuts.
Like that. Yes.
That's cool, yeah.
Fresh. Fresh.
See, it's nice, no? And it's cold.
It's clean.
Ah. See, guys.
Fish very. This is vegetable shops.
I think fish. See, that side. So, guys, may mga fruit stand dito, fruit shop, vegetables. Hi, Kuya. So,
Fresh vegetables. Wow.
so guys, ayan siya. So this is the fish market. So guys, dito yung fish market. See, they have dried fish. See, it's big.
What is this?
This is a squid. Squid. I'm eating this one.
Which one?
This I'm eating. You didn't eat that? Shad. So guys, meron silang milk fish. This is bangus. We have in the Philippines also. So guys, ayan siya. See? Tapos guys, ang lalaki ng hipon. See? You want to buy hipon? Huh? You're eating hipon? Huh?
You want to take it?
This is sardines or galunggong? Yeah, this is galunggong.
No, galunggong other.
Ah, this sardines, right? Sardines. Yeah, I will check. Kuya, ito ba bisugo din?
Bisugo. Ang bisugo sa lahat.
Ito ano to?
Yan, bisugo.
Ito ano?
Ito, pinsan.
Pero parang ganun din yan.
Magpinsan.
Ah,
Ito sa
pangpaksiw.
Maya.
Magkano naman yan?
28 per kilo. Nag-iisa na lang doon. Saka ito.
Ah, hindi ako sanay magluto. Yan ang luto dyan.
Pwedeng pwedeng sinigang, pwedeng sawa, rito. O kaya ito, talaki ito.
Hindi ko pa na-try
Yung
yun.
parang sa atin din yan, normal na
Ayun guys, ang laki oh.
O kaya, gusto
Taga
mo.
saan ka sa Pinas, kuya?
Nueva Ecija. Ito.
Ah, taga Nueva Ecija.
Ito,
Norte,
Sipri.
di ba? North.
Yan, simple.
Ito hindi ko pa to sure. Pero, tapos, free na pa, ano?
Pag yun ang linis, ako na may bayad lang yung mga ipon sa kaso.
Pwede yung lutong ano?
Lutong kwacham, pwede.
Ano yung pan?
Kwacham ba? Pero hindi ka marunong.
Hindi nga, anong usually? Sinigang. Sinigang, oh.
That
Ay, tayo mo yun. Back open.
So yun guys, nakapagbayad na ako na. They're removing the
inside.
organ kernel. So we have this fish of tilapia. We call it tilapia. You can eat fried or with vinegar. In Cornish, not their fish. You have this the plastic. Where?
One.
You have the but you should have permit. Next time.
You come back
So guys, ganun pala yung paglinis ng hipon. Kasi hindi ako marunong maglinis ng hipon. Meron kasi daw part doon na medyo marumi. So ganun pala siya. I-open mo yung back ng strip. Then mariremove mo yung black na ano nila. So yun guys, nakita niyo yung mga fish dito. Ayan siya. Tapos doon yung payment pag gusto niyo magbayad. Ayan siya. Yung cleaning nila, may charge din yung cleaning. 3 dirham daw. 3 dirham the charge for the cleaning. So it's okay. Just need to cook.
Yeah. No problem. How can it clean?
Only to wash, then cook.
You all one day cooking, not 2 days.
No. I will make a half.
Yeah.
So guys, marami na siya. It's good. Ito ko. Kuya, ito. Thank you.
What is
That's the bill I paid already. Give me. So yun guys, nakapamili na kami ng shrimp ni Rahat, Great Rahat. I will help you. So guys, on this side you will see what is this meat, no? Mutton area. Ayan siya guys. So let's show. Ayan guys yung mutton area. Ayan siya. Ayan guys, so they're cutting the mutton. Next time ko. So ayan guys. go. You need to buy something?
We are going now in gift collection in Pune.
What you want to buy?
Gift collection is not expensive. Okay.
Or day to day?
Day to day. No parking available.
What time is it now?
37 is finished. Then 1 hour.
So guys, that's our video for today, no? Let's cut the video.
We are cut now
Yeah.
starting in the day to day.
We already,
Very big vlog.
yeah, nakapasyal na kami. We go to fish market. So now me and Raad will go to day to buy something, no? So nakabili ako guys ng tilapia at saka ng hipon, shrimp. We call that shrimp. What happened? They are fighting?
I'm fighting every time.
So yun guys, I think we are here, no? This side.
But this side going is
Better. See, we can show this. Guys, they have this decoration. It's nice, no?
decorative piece.
Huh?
Wow.
See inside, guys. There's a landscape inside. How cute. Nice, yeah? See? This also, guys. So, yun, guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung ating vlog for today. Hope you like the vlog now. So, tapos na kami ni Rahad kumain. We finished dinner and we go to fish market. So, it's only near to the Madina Sayed area. So, thank you guys for watching. So, hope you enjoy the vlog. So, please subscribe to all the... Invite your Pakistani friends to subscribe.
Guys,
Talk.
ये मेरा फ्रेंड है, इसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब करें और फॉलो करें. ये बहुत अच्छा इंसान है.
Yeah.
Best of luck. Bye bye.
Yeah, please support me and
Yeah.
Rahad in our TikTok and Instagram
Yeah.
and Facebook account and YouTube channel. Soon you will see me and Rahad. We will visit Pakistan. Yeah. Yes. So guys,
Maybe
thank you for
next year.
watching. Yeah, next year inshallah. So thank you guys. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe, like and share our video for more exclusive videos to come. Thank you guys. Bye. We love you. Loves. Bye.